on. Because you have to stop filming.
I have to film you. Go do it. You gotta remove the camera. I can't film you if you're... Hold on. It's coming. Ready? Mine was so better.
It was.
The first one was better than the first one I did. Don't choke.
Nasty.
Record me through my next burp.
Okay.
Ready, Jenna?
Her next achievement.
Girl, so proud of you,
I'm
Jackie.
showing it to Junior. Watch.
Well, I'm gonna show this to Junior. Shut up. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, I can't make myself burp. Hold on, it's coming. Hold on. Dang, I need some more soda. Oh my gosh, soda.
Jackie.
Say
You farted. Gross.
Ew, she farted. I drooled. You saw that?
I don't know.
Wait, what?
Hey, Martha. The thing is to actually get air, go gulp it,
so try to get high off of it?
No, get air,
oh, that's Jackie.
Gulp it, oh, you said no more left here. It's not mine.
Oh, dang you guys, seriously, I drank too much soda.
No, you're not. Okay.
Go, Gaby. Go.
Go.
That was nothing. Oh my god, it's coming here, Jenna. Ready?
Okay, say bye at the end of the competition.
Okay, the competition is over. Wait. Oh. Cochina. Just
Okay,
go.
bye.
Yeah. What was?
Goodbye.
Okay, say bye, Gaby.
Bye.
Say bye, Jenna.
Bye.
Say bye, Jackie. Bye.